If restorations are planned, hydrocolloid has greater precision and detail accuracy and is more suitable than alginate. Unlike planning models, the rows of teeth must be duplicated very precisely with the preparations, though the surrounding structures don't need to be as exact. Hydrocolloids largely consist of colloidal agar-agar with water as the dispersion medium and various organic and inorganic additives. Like the base material for alginate, agar-agar is obtained from marine algae and has been known for centuries as a gelling agent for making pudding-like dishes. At temperatures of about 93 degrees Celsius, agar-agar forms a low-viscosity brine, which solidifies into an elastic gel at temperatures between 37 and 42 degrees Celsius. Both states can often be transformed into each other as you please by appropriate temperature changes. This behavior of hydrocolloids is taken advantage of when an impression is made. The material is inserted into the patient's mouth in a heated, free-flowing state, water-cooled in the special trays, and removed from the mouth in an elastic gel-like state. A lot of work goes into hydrocolloid impression. Among other things, 3 separate water baths with different temperatures are used for material preparation. They comprise a boiling bath at 100 degrees Celsius, a storage bath of 60 to 65 degrees Celsius, and a tempering bath with a temperature of 42 to 48 degrees Celsius. The high-viscosity tray material is supplied in plastic or metal tubes, while the low-viscosity material for taking the impression of the preparations is available in sticks. They are inserted in special hydrocolloid syringes and heated in these. Double-walled trays facilitate the cooling required for curing. The cooling water flows through the tray's interior if required, and thus cools the hydrocolloid material through the tray wall. There are 3 partial so-called sextant trays per jaw, 2 for the sides and 1 for the front part. They each come in different sizes, as do the complete trays. The tray is connected to the water inlet and drain pipe through a hose system on the feeder basin. The tubes and prepared syringes for daily needs are immersed in the boiling bath with the obturator in the morning and left in the boiling water for exactly 10 minutes. The tube material can be boiled up to 3 times. For each new boiling process, the time must be extended by 2 minutes. The syringe material should only be boiled once. After the hydrocolloid material has been boiled for 10 minutes and thus become liquefied, it is then transferred to the 62 to 65 degree warm storage bath. The material can be stored here for up to 3 days. Note: size selection and adaptation of the impression trays is done in accordance with the same principles as for taking alginate impressions. Before these trays undergo additional preparation, they must be connected briefly to the cooling system for the tightness test. Insert the dam stops in the region of the molars and canines. Grease the partial impression trays inside and out, dorsally and ventrally with silicon primer.
Auf den Innen- und auf den Außenflächen.
Insert the dam material dorsally and ventrally and pour out. After setting up, cut the dam so that it's easy to reposition the tray. Only note the mesial teeth so that the impression is taken without difficulties. Remove all plastic stops. Before damming the impression trays, bond in occlusal stops to prevent extrusion. As when taking alginate impressions, apply silicone primer wherever the dam material will later be put on and needs to stick. Preform a silicon compound, apply it and remove the mold. Insert an impression and push it through up to the occlusal plastic stops. Cut all dams to facilitate repositioning of the trays. Shortly before taking the impression, insert retraction threads with a retraction instrument.